welcome back to another tutorial in this Telegram bot series. So in this tutorial, we're going to be setting up our environment. So I'm using Anaconda as a package manager to create a virtual Python environment along with my wanted packages. So if you're interested, you can follow this installation tutorial and install it on your Ubuntu OS. And once you finish the installation and open your terminal, you're going actually to find this base right here, which is actually the base environment of Anaconda. So we want to create a new environment. So we're going to type conda create-n and then give it the name of our environment. I'm going to name it Flask. Then we're going to give it the Python version. So Python equal 3.9.0. So I'm using Python 3.9. Here we go. Yes. Okay, so our environment is now created. To activate the environment, we're gonna type conda activate Flask. Here we go. So we're inside Flask environment right now, and we need to install two Python packages. So we're gonna type pip install Flask Requests to install Flask and Requests libraries. Here we go. So now I installed the Flask and Requests library and we're good to go. Throughout this series, I'll be using VS Code for writing my code. Apparently, you can use any text editor or IDE that you want. So that's it, guys, for this very quick tutorial, and catch you in the next one.